Hello and welcome. In today's video we're going to run you through everything you need to know about the Strata SLR 3000 and Strata SLR 5000 Pro Series laser welders. Whether you're a professional fabricator or just starting out, this video will help you make the most of your new laser welder. Each welder comes as a complete package with everything you need to start welding immediately. From a laser torch cable to protective goggles, it's all included, making setup quick and easy. First, let's start by unboxing your laser welder. Inside, you'll find a laser welder power source, a laser torch, the clamp lead, the wire feeder unit and liner, nozzles, spare lenses, protective goggles, and welding gloves. Make sure all these components are present before you proceed. Now it's time to set up your wire feeder unit. Start by installing the unit on top of the welder and by plugging in this starter cable. Attach the liner to the outlet on front of your wire feeder unit through to the rollers. Use the correct rollers to match your wire type. Then thread the welding wire through the feeder. Make sure the welding wire is securely in place and feeding smoothly. Now, connecting your gas supply. Secure the gas cylinder and attach the gas line to the welder's input. Make sure all connections are tight and leak-free. Adjust the gas flow rate according to your welding requirements, keeping in mind that the SLR series uses less gas than traditional welding methods. Next, attach the appropriate nozzle to the laser torch. Different nozzles may be required depending on the material and the joint type you're welding. Check the protective lens is in place. Next, we'll attach the workpiece clamp to the appropriate port on the welder. This clamp is a safety mechanism to prevent the laser operating if it's not in contact with the workpiece. Make sure the clamp is tightly secured and the connection is stable. With everything connected, it's time to power up your welder. Plug in the machine to a reliable power source. Both models require 230 volt 50 Hz power supply. Flip the power switch and allow the machine to boot up. You should see the control panel light up, indicating the machine is ready to go. Safety is crucial. Before you begin, double check that all the safety features are enabled. Ensure that all the built-in safety checks are active and that you're wearing protective helmets and gloves. Remember, proper protection is key to safe welding environments. Safety is our top priority. The Strata SLR series utilises Class 4 laser technology capable of transmitting invisible high-energy laser light. This technology requires strict adherence to the safety protocols to ensure your protection. To operate safely, always wear certified laser glasses or helmets. Use protective clothing that covers all exposed skin. Conduct welding in an enclosed, absorptive booth to ensure the area is screened to prevent exposure to the laser radiation, including reflections. Clearly display hazard labels and restricted entry to the welding area during operation. The Strata SLR series includes a comprehensive range of built-in safety features. A closed-loop welding safety to prevent accidental laser emission. Visual emission on warnings for real-time awareness. Gas pressure and gun temperature monitoring to maintain optimal conditions. It also has an external interlock capability to integrate safety barriers and switches. Like all welding processes, laser welding generates hazardous fumes. Proper ventilation, extraction systems, and personal respiratory protection are essential to ensure that safe working environments. Strata SLR series laser welders comply with New Zealand's WorkSafe health and safety regulations, and operators must be trained in proper use. Make sure to review the standards, including AS/NZS IEC 60825-1 and AS/NZS 1336 to fully understand the safety requirements. Before delivery of your Strata SLR series laser welder, you'll receive a safety acknowledgement document to review and sign. This ensures that you fully understand the operational and safety requirements of the machine. Once the signed document is received, your welder will be shipped to you and you'll gain access to the Strata Laser Control app, enabling seamless control and enhanced performance. Before using your Strata SLR series laser welder, confirm that you reviewed and understand the safety guidelines. Your safety and productivity go hand in hand. Now we're going to move on to basic operation. Before you start welding, it's essential to set your welding parameters. Use the control panel to adjust the power, speed, and other settings to match the material and thickness that you're working with. Let's move on to the front panel and the top error lights. The first one, emission. This will light up when the laser is in operation and emitting a laser. The second along, gas. This turns on when the gas pressure is too low. Next one along, interlock. This turns off when the welding gun makes contact with the workpiece and is ready to weld. This turns back on when the welding gun is in the air or in an unsafe space of operation. The warning light. This turns on when the ambient temperature is abnormal. The last one, the error light, this turns on if there's an issue internally with the laser. Now I'm going to run you through the screen. Hold the down button to change materials or groups. These groups are custom, galvanized steel, aluminium, carbon steel, stainless steel. Within these groups there are thicknesses settings. 1mm, 2mm, 3mm, 1mm with the wire feeder, 2mm with the wire feeder and 3mm with the wire feeder. Now I'll run you through the three knobs on the front of the machine. The first one is power. That's hot-cold, set in a percentage of the overall power of the machine, much like regular welding methods. The next one, wobble frequency. This acts quite like inductance does in MIG welding. This adjusts how fast the laser beam oscillates back and forth when welding. Lower frequencies is best with thicker material and higher frequencies for faster, thinner materials. The last one, wobble length. This changes the width of the weld from a precise beam to 5mm wobble. The laser moves side to side very quickly to adjust the width of your weld pool. Both models also offer an app-based control. You can also make adjustments directly from your smartphone. Now you're ready to start welding. Position your workpiece, align the torch, and begin your first weld. Keep an eye on the control panel for any alerts or adjustments that may be needed. With every setup correctly, you'll experience the precision, speed, and efficiency that the SLR 3000 and 5000 are known for. In summary, the SLR 3000 and the SLR 5000 Pro Series laser welders offer unmatched speed, precision, and efficiency, all in a compact, user-friendly package. Whether you're looking at boosting your productivity, reducing your costs, or simply achieving a very high weld quality, these machines are the ultimate solution. Strata SLR Laser Series welders, redefining welding with precision, performance, and safety. Thank you for watching. If you want to take your welding to the next level, visit us at strata.co.nz today.